Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk all about the vagus nerve and basically calming the nervous system down, calming your mind down from stressful situations, which so many of us are getting ourselves into these days, with so much going on in the world, with what we see emotionally, mentally, with what we see in media and things like that. And so this is going to be a really powerful technique for so many to use and to connect with, and hopefully on a daily basis, because it'll be really, really powerful and really, really beneficial to just allow yourself to just give yourself a few minutes. And it really is just a few minutes, this technique. First of all, I just want to talk a little bit about the vagus nerve and what it is and how it helps to kind of balance everything down. So your vagus nerve is the biggest nerve in the human body, and it goes all the way, obviously, from your brain, goes all the way down to your stomach. So your eyes, your ears, your nose, your throat, obviously back of the neck, through the lungs, your heart. So it really helps to stimulate and activate and heal and develop various things. So heart rate, your rhythm, your breathing, anxious feelings, anxious thoughts, a lot of that obviously comes from your breathing and your heart. So being able to activate and work with the vagus nerve with these simple techniques will really help to just sort of bring you down, calm your mind, calm your breathing down as well, and calm your heart rate down. And that is the key to everything. And also the other key to a lot of this is to just breathing correctly, breathing into the belly. So if you can, try to breathe into the diaphragm, breathe in as low down as you possibly can. Almost imagine that when you are breathing in, that your belly button, your belly is rising and falling as you breathe. And this also helps to stimulate the vagus nerve, because the vagus nerve goes all the way down to the stomach. It is your gut receptor, and you get a lot of stomach brain connection as well between the vagus nerve and your brain. That's where you get a lot of this gut feeling comes from this as well. So it's a really, really powerful nerve, and once you start to connect to it and use it for its benefit, it'll really help to just calm you down. So these techniques that we're going to use today are just ideal for that. So if you're in a place where you're constantly sort of, stressed or on the back foot, or you just got a lot of stuff going on, just give yourself this few minutes to just do this practice, to help you calm down. The longer you do it, obviously it will be more beneficial, but if you've only got a few minutes, a few moments, then just do that for you. So find yourself somewhere comfortable to just sit down, and what we're going to do is I just want you to try to just breathe into the belly. And where I want you to take 3 nice deep breaths in through the nose. Feel the belly rise, and a long slow breath out through the mouth. And another nice deep breath in. And a long slow exhale. And one more nice deep breath in. And a long, slow breath out through the mouth. And really, to begin with, all I want you to do is just with your fingertips, just going to start imitating rain on the top of the head. So just gently tapping on the top of the head. And just feel what that feels like, and feel how nice it feels, how gentle it feels. Just gently tapping the top of the head. This is a really, really good stimulus. This is something that we do in Indian head massage, and it really helps to alleviate stress and tension and headaches and things like that. It's just a really, really nice, gentle feeling overall. And then take the hands, do the same thing, just round the back of the neck, back of the head, sorry. And back up to the top of the head and all over the head. And then we're going to just bring them around to the temples, just gently tapping up and down the sides of the temples and behind the ears. So the vagus nerve obviously connects to the ears, connects around the eyes. So there's a lot of areas that we can use stimulus to help bring this nice calming feeling. And also when you're doing this, just be aware of where you're breathing into the belly, keeping that calmness. And now come around to the forehead, just gently tapping over the forehead, up and down, allowing all the muscles in the forehead to just relax. Just release all that tension in the forehead. And then round to the eyebrows, just gently tapping. And then underneath the eyes, cheekbones, just gently tapping, imitating raindrops on your face. Working down the cheeks, down to the jawline, and around the jawline. And then just gently tapping at the neck, at the throat. Again, just still breathing into the belly. And now, with the fingertips, just gently massage behind the ears. And just work up and round to the front of the ears. And back around. And down to the base of the skull, just where the neck meets the skull. Just gently massaging the temples. Massaging the face, down to the jaw. And just at the chest, just where the collarbone is, right in the middle of the chest. Just up and down the length of the collarbone, just tap those points there. And all of these points we use in EFT, Indian head massage, some of them. And they all correlate with other practices like Reiki, Qigong, just gently tapping up and down. And now just with a fingertip, we're just going to tap the top of the head, close the eyes, and just slowly bring that finger, that tapping round to the middle of the forehead, to the third eye. Gently tapping down the nose to the top lip. Again, these are all EFT points. Down to underneath the bottom lip, just a little bevel between your chin and your bottom lip. And then just tap on the side of your little finger, ring finger, and just say in your mind or out loud that I am fine, I am calm, down to the thumb, back to the little finger, all is well. I'm feeling more relaxed each time I tap. There's no need to feel stressed. Allowing myself to relax. Allowing myself to just let go of all the stuff I don't need. And just on the edge of the hand where you would do the karate chop, the side of the hand, you say with each tap, I'm feeling calm. With each breath, I relax further. With each tap, I feel more myself, more relaxed, more at ease. And that's it. Simple, really, really simple. But you can use this technique as many times as you want. You can even lengthen the duration of time that you do them. If you really love that tippy-tappy thing on the top of the head, I love the feeling of that. Extend it, make it longer, as long as you want. If it helps you to relax, do it. Working down the face, I love all around the forehead, around the cheeks, all around there, just gently tapping It's a really, really relaxing, rejuvenative thing. And then massaging around the ears, tapping around the eyes, it all connects to the vagus nerve. And obviously I'll keep being aware of the breathing into the belly. So you breathe into the belly, it helps with the activation of the vagus nerve, all the tapping, all things like that. Just allows you to relax, allows you to calm down. So I hope these few tips and techniques help you in your everyday life, just to reduce your stress, just to calm you down a little bit. And like I say, if you need to extend it for longer periods of time. But stay tuned to the channel. If you enjoyed this little video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, comment below, let me know how it let you feel. And let me know in the future if you keep coming back to this video or keep doing it yourself. Comment below, let me know how much it's helped over the period of time that you've used it, just to help you to relax, just to help you to calm down. So even people with ADHD, anxiety issues, things like that, all these little techniques that we have in our toolbox, we can use them in each and every day just to help ourselves relax a little bit. Okay, so have a beautiful day wherever you are. Do take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love, and bye for now.